Okay, everything is all done now. Here's the finished product. And outside you can see the boxes that were built singularly but then screwed into place. First I did the bottom ones and then the top ones. Kind of see it from all of the different sides. Put a little caulk in the seams up top. So everything is all done. Show you guys upstairs a little bit. Here's the it's a little cheap door. Put a little frame around it. Put some snap in the top. Same butted joints for the door frame there. You can see a little closer up. It's the butted joints with snap going around the outside so that the inside